Hello everyone, this is lesson number 47, HSK free, and let's continue. Before we have 5 new words. 皮鞋 leather, leather shoes, 城市 city, 城市 hat or cap 帽子 nose 鼻子 to brush one teeth or to brush teeth, teeth 刷牙 and first one for today is 头发 toe it's like a head, fa it's to create, to issue something, but here is just hair, so something the thing that your head is issue out of head, so 头发 let's see. Her hair is very long. 她的头发很长。她的头发 her hair 她的 hair 头发 hair 很长 is very long 长 it's long 她的头发很长。Next one. Washing my hair feels very comfortable. 我洗头发很舒服。我洗 it's to wash something. 洗头发 it's to wash hair. So washing my hair or I wash hair, but it implies it's my. You don't need to say 我洗我的头发。我洗头发很舒服。So washing my hair feels very comfortable. Maybe because water is warm. So 我洗头发很舒服 is very comfortable. Next one. He cut his hair. 他剪了头发。他剪 it's to cut something, especially hair, because as you can see on the bottom character, this represent knife. 他剪了 so he is but in English cut, so we don't change, just cut it. But you can easily cut it. 他剪了头发 he cut his hair. 他剪了头发。Next one is a grammar point. It's 如果 if you can imagine 如 like how, or 果 it's like a result. If, so like result, or if something happened, 如果 if in the result this one, I will do something else. So if it rains, I won't go. 如果下雨，我就不去。如果 if 下雨rain, it rains, so 如果下雨，我 I 就 you can imagine like 不去 it's don't go. 就 it's you cannot translate this one. Just work together with 如果 if something's happened, I 就 you can say I just, or I just do something, you can imagine. In English they translate like a future time, but in Chinese it's implied that it's future time, because 不去 it's not to go, but it's like in future time. So we can say especially 不回去 something like that. But also can omit. 如果下雨，我就不去。如果下雨，我就不去。Next one. If he comes, I will be very happy. So as you can see, here is will be. And also here is 会. So sometimes we can omit. We can say 就, or we can say 会, but 会 is definitely future. 就 is more like for emphasizing. Let's see. 如果他来 if he comes, 如果他来 comes, 我会 I will be, 我会很开心 开心 it's to be happy. So that's why we can say will be very happy. You cannot say 我很开心 also you can say, but 会 is more, it's more like future time. So 如果他来我会很开心 happy. 如果他来我会很开心。Next one. If you brush your teeth, they will be clean. That's very good one. 如果刷牙，牙会干净。如果 if 刷牙 to brush teeth, to clean your teeth. 如果刷牙，牙 so this teeth or they 牙会 they will be or teeth will be 干净 clean. 如果刷牙，牙会干净 clean. This one okay. Next one is a bit simpler. It's just to think, to consider, to feel. Run away. As you can see, here's on the left part, it's character speak, connected with some speech. And run. It's just for pronunciation. We know it's like a person, but here is just for pronunciation. Run, way. We also saw quite a few times. Just be careful. Sometimes it's with the fourth tone, wayla. Or could be like here, runway. To think, to consider, to feel. Let's see. I think the city is beautiful. 我认为城市很美。Here is, you can imagine 我觉得 or I think or you can say 认为我认为城市 I think the city 城市很美 is very beautiful 美 beautiful 我认为城市很美 I think the city is very beautiful or just is beautiful. Remember 城市 city 城市 Next one. He considers the hat is very cute. 他认为帽子很可爱。他认为 he considers, he thinks 他认为帽子 the hat 很可爱 is very cute. 很 is very 可爱 cute. 他认为帽子很可爱。他认为帽子很可爱。Next one. She feels I need a check-up. 她认为我需要检查。她认为 she thinks, she feels. 她认为我需要 I think 我需要检查 to check up。他认为我需要检查。检查 is like check up. To check some information sometimes. Let's see. 检查。Check, inspection, examination, checking, review, list, inspect, examine, verify. So here is check. 他认为我需要检查。Next one is 长 to grow, to develop. 长 also it's this character is really has a lot of different meanings. As I said before, if character represented is word represented by one character, mostly often this character has a lot of different meanings, especially if it's verb. So this one of the meaning to grow, to develop. Let's see. My hair grows very fast. 我的头发长得很快。我的头发 my hair grows and grows at which degree? with which attitude? 长得很快 grows very fast 很快。我的头发长得很快。我的头发长得很快。Next one, he is growing very tall. 他长得很高。他长得 again, he is grown, 他长 and at which degree? 很高 very tall. So he is grown very tall. 他长得很高。This one is very important. This the next one. The tree grows very beautifully. 树长得很漂亮。树 the 树 is like a tree. The tree 长 grows and how it grows? 长得很漂亮。It's very beautiful. 树长得很漂亮。The tree grows very beautiful. 树长得很漂亮。Next one, 可爱 lovely. Let's see. Pandas are very cute. 熊猫很可爱。Pandas, it's a Chinese animal. 熊 it's a bear. 猫 it's a cat. So bear cat it's 熊猫 pandas. 熊猫很可爱 very cute. 熊猫很可爱。熊猫很可爱 very cute. Next one, the head is very lovely, very cute. 帽子很可爱。Head is very lovely. 帽子很可爱。帽子很可愛。Next one. She thinks I'm very cute. We know this. Thinks a few words before it's 认为。她认为我很可愛。她认为 she thinks I'm very cute. 我很可愛。我很可愛。她认为我很可愛。She thinks I'm very cute. 很可愛。So, this is 5 words for today. Next, and let's repeat them. 头发 hair 头发。如果 if if something 认为 to think, to consider, to feel. 长 to grow, to develop. This is a bit complicated. 长 because it has a lot of usage. 可爱 cute, lovely. Let's see some variation. 可爱 cute, adorable, sweet, pretty, nice, cute, beautiful, charming, dear love. So cute is very popular. 可爱. And we have one new idiom for today. Last time we learned 鸡肥狗巧 chicken fly, 鸡肥 chicken fly, 狗巧 dog jump. So cows or a plural cows. 鸡肥狗巧. Today we learn new one. 如鱼得水. What does it mean? 如 like we know as we learned before. 如果 also this one. 如 like. 鱼 fish. The here is the not as we know. It's to get something, to obtain something. 得水 water. Like fish get water. Like a fish in the water or in one's element. He's in his element at work. 他工作如鱼得水. He works. 他工作如鱼得水. Let's see, what does it? I think like a duck to water, a fish in the water in his element. One of the meaning, it's really 如鱼得水, but another one is very to get on, like relationship is very good between two people. I took photo like a duck in water, but mostly to feel like at home, like a dog in the water. 如鱼得水. I think this one is okay. I like a fish in the water. In one element. 他工作如鱼得水. 如鱼得水. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.